4 therapist back tips to navigate holiday stress better together. The holidays are wonderful, but inevitably they can also bring up old family dynamics, tension, and stress. To stay grounded and connected, here are 4 therapist back tips. Number 1, stay in secure functioning mode. Remember that your partner is not your opponent, even when you get upset, especially when you get upset. Face stress as a team. Before you go, make small agreements. For example, if one of you feels overwhelmed, agree to take a 5-minute break together and figure out what that cue looks like beforehand. Number 2, track each other's nervous systems. Stress can trigger fight, flight, or freeze. Look for the signs in your partner. You'll probably know it, but maybe it's a clenched jaw, shallow breathing, or your partner going really quiet. When you see it, step in. Use humor or maybe a calming tone or a grounding touch to help them reset. But talk about it beforehand to see what might be most helpful in those tense moments. Number 3, prepare your exit. Talk about triggers before you arrive. If a family member brings up politics, how are you going to pivot with that? Create a subtle signal so that you both know that it's time to head home, take a walk, whatever it is, but to focus on what you want to enjoy instead of just what you want to avoid. Number 4, pair quickly. Every relationship inevitably has its bumps. Actually, it's a sign of some of the better ones is how fast they recover. If things get tense, own your part. Say, look, I got really reactive right now. Can we rewind? Prioritize kindness over being right. Repairing quickly makes the relationship feel safe, even when the environment may not be.